on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
But hold on, Helsinki. You can't just walk up out of here. Let's go through your build. Poop your doors up, turn on everything, and let's see everything roll. Put this up. Alrighty, so now, Hellboy. Y'all see it written down. Y'all know what it is. But this is the Hellboy car, right? Just so y'all know. This is his old audio build. Hellboy doing his thing. Let's turn it on and see all this going around. And y'all can see everything, because you see the underglow flashing down there. Wheel lights are on. Doors lit up. Trunk lit up for the Hellboy. Y'all want to play around? How about the fire? Y'all like that? Yeah, we do. Check that out, y'all. Y'all like that? Yeah, y'all see that? Flames. Yep. Nitrous. The whole setup. Y'all see the gun down here in the corner? Yep. Y'all see it. Nitrous ball on the side. Yep. That's the Hellboy. That is the Hellboy. Door lights. That's the Hellboy. Interior. That is the Hellboy. My boy got more lights than the Christmas tree up in here, man. But let's get to what's the big thing for us right now. So all this build is a great thing. This is all your old stuff, Hellboy. Your old dash, your old clusters, all that stuff. But now let's come inside here. So now you wanted to have your front camera accessible. You see your front camera. Come over here, come back home, go back, put it in reverse now. In fact, let me show y'all. My bad, I'm over here doing this, not showing. What up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, known as the AUDIOZONE. I always want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support you guys are giving this channel, man. I always want to tell y'all that we are grateful for the support y'all giving us, man, and we are on our way up to 25,000 followers thanks to you guys. But on this video, we got something that's going to be a first off in the industry. These radios have came out maybe about 6-7 months ago. A lot of people have bought them, but they don't have what they call the SRT pages. So if you own a HELLCAT or Scat Pack, you know that your SRT pages allow you to change the traction, change your steering, change the way your car shifts, all the other features that come involved with this. We're the first ones to have them done and made just for AUDIOZONE. I did one yesterday for Cop Page. We got Mr. Henry here today from Helsinki. We're going to be installing one on his car today. I'm going to show you what these units look like. This is most of his build here, but I'm going to just show you exactly what it looks like, because this is the screen that can be replacing his screen. So if you know the Dodge Challenger, they usually have a vent here and a vent here. These relocate the vents to the bottom. You have your SRT here. It becomes a 12.2-inch screen that allows you to have all your Netflix, your YouTube, all your Googles, all those different features you need on the unit already come preset into the unit itself. Of course, you have a full Android tablet. You go to Google, you can search whatever you want to. Definitely a great upgrade for these vehicles. This one today, along with some interior lights and some lights on the doors, are going to be going installed in the Helsinki car, which I'll show it to y'all now. It's coming in right now. This is one we got delivered yesterday. Y'all see this one in the build soon. We got my dad Fox body coming in for a stock motor swap. This one is still in progress. This is going to be a wide body custom made one-off. You'll get to see this one. Stay tuned. Gen 2 Charger custom out. We got the SRT bumper in the front, brand new. We got the wide body being done, but we also got the SRT rear bumper that come with the new vents in the side to give it a more modern look. This one's in progress. This is Helsinki's car. Look at the one that we're working on today. It is a gorgeous car, but we're going to be changing out this display radio that he has in this car.
You're very lucky his horn doesn't work.
Huh?
You're very lucky his horn doesn't work.
And then this is the stock dash, and that's what it looks like. We're going to be doing this one with the new facelift here, interior light kit, and also doing some strips here, because this one has Lambo doors for when he goes to events. So we're going to be doing some strips on this here to give him some lighting on that bad boy, to give him some lights and stuff like that. So this one's in progress right now. Josh is going to start, let me turn around for the lighting. Josh is going to start now disassembling, getting this one going, get everything working on this one to get this radio installed and make it move on from there. So look at the journey we have on this one. I'll show you a little bit as we start building this car. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so now we're at the end of the day with this Helsinki build. I'm going to show you what we got going on, but it's pretty damn interesting. Look at the Helsinki car, killer Charger, Challenger, my bad, y'all. But yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all a little bit before I give it to the customer. Lights done here. Door panels here. Door jams, but they're black LEDs, y'all. So when the lights are off, you don't actually see them doing nothing. Interior kit, side skirts, all that stuff, dash. But then this is the prize winner right here. So meanwhile he's bundling up the rest, I'm just going to show you a little bit of feature of this bad boy because I know what y'all want to see. So on this app, of course you have your drive modes that you can have. Let me change that. You have all your drive mode settings, your launch control, sports favorite, assume. Then you also have, of course, your regular Google. So you can Google whatever you want to. We're going to put on the best channel in the world right now. In the car, y'all. Wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, wired CarPlay, wired Android Auto, everything you could possibly think about. Full screen, volume, watching the AUDIOZONE channel. How about that one, y'all? Then you can come out of here. I don't know about all the features. I don't know if we could do a split screen or something like that. I'm pretty sure you can if you start figuring because it's a tablet. But of course you have a DSP processor, which is an equalizer. You can check all the bands, the sound fields, the zones, the bass boost, the bass filters. Then you also have, of course, your car mate, your car setting. You can change all that. The AC controllers, just like that. Then you also have, of course, your file manager, your Facebook, your stores, steering wheel controls. This is your music apps. I mean, it's an Android, so you can put whatever you want. So you want to know what the weather's like? Click on the car, man. They're going to tell you to find a position. It's letting me know right now that in Irving Tx it is on Celsius. Let's change that to Fahrenheit. Boom. Back to Fahrenheit. So now in Texas, 93 degrees. Tells you the whole forecast here. And just like that, this is done. So now Josh is dealing with that door, and we'll have this on a minute to give the reveal to the customer and see what it thinks. Y'all stay tuned. Camera girl, what you? Y'all haven't seen her for a long time, but Lena's on the camera today. That's my niece. That was my baby from a long time ago. She don't love me no more. She grew up, but it's all good. We love her no matter what.
I'm a wife and I'm a mother now. That's why.
But my question is, hold on. What kind of mother?
The best mother in the world.
No. What kind of mother?
The superwoman. What you mean? The best.
Bro, look who's here over here. What's up, papi? Hey. My nephew's over here too. We got family coming through. But hold on, Helsinki. You can't just walk up out of here. Let's go through your bill. Put your doors up. Turn on everything. And let's see everything roll. Put this up. Alrighty. So now, Hellboy. Y'all see it written down. Y'all know what it is. But this is the Hellboy car, right? Just so y'all know. This is his old audio build. Hellboy doing his thing. Let's turn it on and see all this going around. And y'all can see everything. Because you see the underglow flashing down there. Wheel lights are on. Doors lit up. Trunk lit up for the Hellboy. Y'all want to play around? How about the fire? Y'all like that? Yeah, we do. Check that out, y'all. Y'all like that? Yeah, y'all see that? Flames. Yep. Nitrous. The whole setup. Y'all see the gun down here in the corner? Yep. Y'all see it. Nitrous ball on the side. Yep. That's the Hellboy. That is the Hellboy. Door lights. That's the Hellboy. Interior. That is the Hellboy. My boy got more lights than a Christmas tree up in here, man. But let's get to what's the big thing for us right now. So all this built is a great thing. This is all your old stuff, Hellboy. Your old dash, your old clusters, all that stuff. But now let's come inside here. So now you wanted to have your front camera accessible. You see in your front camera. Come over here, come back home, go back, put it in reverse now. In fact, let me show y'all. My bad, I'm over here doing this, not showing y'all. You want to have front camera? So now he has a front camera. You can see what's going on in front of his car. Then, well, that's the Android screen. Come on, girl, stop playing with me. Okay, come back over here. Down, home. Then, go reverse, Hellboy. We're going to call you Hellboy because nobody needs to know your real name. Mr. Darius Martinez de la Rosa. No, we're not going to play that. Backup camera with the proximity for the beeping. So when you get closer, to start telling you, don't be hitting no cars here now. And then, of course, you already went through with you your drive setup, your SRT pages, stuff like that. Then you have, of course, your Google, which is, don't be getting no Pornhub on here now. But let's see, it's offline. Let's connect to the internet. Connect to the internet. Connect to my Wi-Fi. We're in there again. Home. Back over here, Google. Boom. Offline. Why am I offline? Let's just find a video. In the car, y'all. He's in his car. Put some volume here. Your steering wheel controls that work. Yep.
Without having to go to court or pay expensive
Let's skip
upfront legal
this.
fees.
You like watching that? Let's go full screen. In the car.
Yeah, baby.
I'm telling you, I love it. I want to buy another one just to have it. You got a full DSP processor that now you can play with, your equalizer, your service modes.
Oh, man.
You got your surround settings. You got a lot to play with, buddy. Then you have, of course, your maps, your Google, your music files. You want to put things on the drive, you can do all that. Your radio, you want to go to radio, your app store, your Facebook. And since it is an app store, you could actually download apps to the device directly like you do in your Android. You can change the configuration of your steering wheel if you want to make buttons do something different. You can change those things up. Then, of course, you have, let's go to the most other part. Let's go to Bluetooth. Let's pair your phone up real quick, Hellboy. Now go to setup here. Let's go to search for a device. I want to make sure your wireless. You can slide from the top corner and go to Bluetooth. Press hold the Bluetooth. Yeah. And then go to details on the bottom. And then slide up, and you should see. Yeah, you should see this one coming up. BT, CarLink, Blink, something like that. All right. Let's search here. Boom, 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 boom. We should be in there.
Bottom.
Searching. Car Blink. Let's connect this bad boy by Bluetooth. She'll ask for a PIN code. Pair success. Now we want to make sure that it goes to CarPlay. So we come over here, come to your home, and I believe the app is going to be called CarLink or something like that. Still new to these new screens, man.
Link.
TP Link right there, T-Link. Let it do its connections, allow everything here. Not going to connect, and you have Android Auto wirelessly. Or wired, you got the USBs there, but or wired, you could do them either or, but it's doing a first time marriage. Boom, just like that. You are now, I'll continue here on your phone. Give permission. You are now in your Android Auto. Then you come over here, of course, your apps. You got a light up SRT HELLCAT badge. Zoom in. And you got everything you want there. Any questions on that?
No questions, baby.
So now my question to you is, Hellboy, I know we had these special made, which I'm happy, I'm loving them.
Yeah.
I want to buy another Challenger just to have it.
Man.
This is a protective cover you can take off too.
Okay, yeah, we leave that there.
Huh?
We leave that there.
Yeah,
You know
what I'm saying? But it's all good to go.
Okay,
My
okay.
question to you is,
Nice and cool, too.
your vents on the bottom now.
Yeah.
It's all little plastics and stuff you got to cover, but you got your thing done, Helsinki. What do you feel?
Oh, man, I feel great, man. This is hot. This is off the chain, man. You know what I'm saying? What
Where
we
you
call
from
it
again?
Chicago, you know what I'm saying?
Chi-town in the house.
we do.
You see when you say off the chain is hot?
Off the chain
If
is
y'all
hot.
don't know, y'all don't know. But that's really like an East Coast Chicago
You know
type
what I'm
thing.
saying? That's right. It's off
Do
the
you
chain,
say
baby.
boy and son?
Boy, got pop, you know what I mean?
What up, son?
Son. What's up, kid?
What up, kid? I don't think they know about all that,
You
but
know
look at
what I'm saying?
this.
That's
I
what we
want to
do.
show you the stars up there shining too.
Everything, baby.
The car is done. So this is Helsinki's build. You'll be seeing it a lot more, man. We'll be doing some car meets. He'll be coming out with us too, man.
Yeah.
But this was a killer. I'm glad that it's here and it's in. You know what I'm saying? I got, oh, one more thing for you. Check this out. Got an exit here. Check this out. So now let's go to climate. There's a thing called climate here somewhere.
Air conditioning.
Air conditioning, boom.
There you go. Big screen.
All of your climates, your heat, seat, sinks, all that stuff is right there on the screen.
Yeah.
When you come home, you're back home. Just like that, you're done. So now let me flip this camera around. Boom, boom, boom. So Helsinki, this is already. Let me see if I can turn. I want to make it brighter. I'm learning. I'm still dealing with my gimbals and stuff here, man.
Yeah.
But you want to get it done, it's done. You got your black car there.
Man, you can't ask for nothing more hotter than this. You know what I'm saying? Man, you guys Audio Cats hooked it up, baby. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do.
Man, so you know what?
Yeah.
I'm really grateful that you gave us a chance to serve you. I'm glad that we had a part of this build, man. It's an amazing build. Come to the shows. You're going to get to see them. We have another one coming, I think, July, August. We're
I'll
setting
be
up
there.
these now. But y'all can come out and see this car live. It's really a unique car, man. So I'm going to end this video. I was telling y'all, thank y'all for watching. Always thank y'all for the support, man. Y'all be good and God bless.